Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a review of the MakseLife horizontal planner. This planner does come in two different layouts, horizontal and vertical. We'll get into all the details, flip cover to cover. But first, let me thank MakseLife for sending me this planner for review. As with all my reviews, all opinions are my own. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Getting into the basics of this planner, it is $68, which I know is on the steeper end of a planner in general. It measures 7 inches by 9 inches and has a total of 320 pages. The paper quality is 120 GSM. It has this coated wire O binding as well as a reinforced elastic closure. The cover is hardcover and it does come in two different colorways, the blue and yellow floral. Of course, I have the yellow one here. I love the color yellow. In the back, we have some storage. So the back cover has this accordion pocket folder, and then there is also this double-sided pocket folder here. And the planner itself came in this keepsake box, which is great for you to put any other miscellaneous planner items you may have. When you're done with the planner, you can put it back in here for safekeeping. And the planner also came with this journaling card that says good things are coming, as well as a thank you card of welcoming you to the Maxi tribe. So moving to the inside of the planner, it does come with this sheet of stickers. And here we have the opening page where you can put all of your information. The letter here from the founder of MakseLife, Sierra Friend. Then we jump right into the basics of the planner. This planner is accessible, simple, actionable, and repeatable. It has weekly and daily features which include notes and reflections, weekly tips, a gratitude heart, and habit tracking. Then it's the 5 steps of this planner, which include step 1, compass assessment, step 2, setting intentions, step 3, annual goals and vision, step 4, monthly goals and weekly actions, and then step 5, monthly reflections and quarterly review. So then we move on to the life compass. You have the assessment here of the explanation of what exactly the life compass is, and it's broken into different sections including personal, fun and recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, spiritual and personal growth, financial and physical environment. Then it moves on to an assessment scoring with all of those sections broken down with prompts here for you to check off, and then you can add up your score. Then it has the intention sheet here, plus you can put your word of the year. Then we have the setting goals and what it is to write a goal. So this is great for not just goal setting in this planner, but goal setting going forward. So then it talks about committing to goals, reviewing goals, removing goals, annual goals, your long-term vision, monthly goals, the steps to create those, and weekly actions, the steps for that. Then there's a space for your annual goals, which is broken into those categories that I just mentioned from the Life Compass. So there's 4 pages of that, so 8 categories in total. Then it's a vision board on 2 pages. And the great thing about a vision board is that you can clip in whatever it is that you want. I'll link some options of what I've done in the past in the description box. Then a summary of goal setting in general, some quick tips. Then we move on to January. So here's the divider. Dream big, live with intention, dare to grow, embrace the struggle, be kind to yourself, know your worth, practice gratitude, find your joy, and design your life. Just begin. Then February is of this be sure, you do not find the happy life, you make it. Thomas S. Monson. Then March says, almost every successful person begins with 2 beliefs. The future can be better than the present, and I have the power to make it so. David Brooks. Then April does not have a quote. It has the quarterly compass. Then May says, if you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. If you don't believe it will work out, you will see obstacles. Wayne Dyer. June says, be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still, which is a Chinese proverb. Then July has another quarterly compass. August, when we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. Paulo Coelho? Sorry if I butchered that. September, it must be borne in mind that the tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach. Benjamin E. Mays. Then October, another quarterly compass. November, if you have built castles in the air, your work need not be lost. That is where they should be. Now put the foundations under them. Henry David Thoreau. And then this last quote is by Gandhi. Live life as tomorrow. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. And then we get into the last section, which is extras. So looking at each month, you have the month on 2 pages. There is a quote at the top. You have the month at a glance for the upcoming month. And then you have a notes sidebar over here. Holidays are included. Again, this is a dated planner. Then you have your monthly goals. So the goals that you set in the beginning of the planner, you can then break them down into this monthly layout. And it is broken into the 8 categories. Then any notes and reflections you may have. And it is recommended dedicating 10 to 15 minutes a week to set your goals. Will give you more control, balance, and fulfillment in your life. Set yourself up for success by determining the day and time that works best with your lifestyle to sit down and write out your goals. Schedule it in your planner every week. And then here we have those weekly actions based on the goals that you set for the month, what you're going to do each week. And then here is the horizontal layout. And then at the bottom you have a notes section and a habit tracker, which has space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 habits. And goes Monday through Sunday. Then you have the notes and reflections again, weekly actions. This would be great to reflect on what worked and what didn't work and to adjust how you're moving into the next week. And each week has the notes and reflections and weekly actions. And then we move into the next month. Now looking at the quarterly compass, let's go ahead and flip to April. So at the end of each month, you have the monthly reflections, which has your biggest wins of the month, things you're currently working on, things currently not working in your life, what you learned from the month, improvements or adjustments, what are you most grateful for, habits you want to nurture next month, and then rate your overall satisfaction on a scale of 1 to 10, which is really cool. Then you have the quarterly compass here. And similar to the compass that was in the beginning, this is just reassessing what it is that happened the past 3 months. So from January to March, you have the assessment here going into April. And as each quarter goes on as so. Moving into the extras. Here is the 2020 calendar 2021. And then you have a plethora of notes pages, which is great to not only jot down any notes on what is going on in your day-to-day, but if you're using this as a weekly planner but really want to focus more on your goal setting, this is a great space for you to elaborate on those goals. Let's talk pros and cons. My biggest cons of this planner would be the price, the size, and the weight. This, did I forget? I know I told you guys that this is 320 pages. This is a pretty hefty planner to be carrying around on an everyday basis. Yes, it's hardcover. Yes, it has this elastic strap. Will it probably stay together? Absolutely. I'm pretty sure that it would. But this is really, really heavy to be carrying around. And for me, I just wouldn't want to do that. The size and the weight go hand in hand. The 7x9 is not as big as you would think. But when you bulk it up with all these pages and then imagine yourself putting stickers inside of this every single week, it would get even heavier. So that is a big con for me. Now, the price for what you're getting in this planner, the price is something that you can actually work around. Yes, it is $68, but here are a couple options of what you can do to make that price more feasible for you. You can, if you know that you want to purchase this planner for 2021, save. Save, save, save. The price of this planner, the $70 rounded, 70 divided by 12 is $5.83. So say $6 a month is what you would be saving for the planner. Another option would be to purchase the planner when it is discounted like it is now for $48. You can even wait later on and purchase it at an even cheaper price and either use it now in 2020 to get a feel of the planner and see if it's something you want to commit to in 2021, or you can have it and redate it for the new year. So there are ways to work around the price, but I think that the $70 for what you're getting in this planner is actually worth it because it's two planners in one. So one of my biggest pros of this planner is the layout. I love that it is goal planning and weekly planning in one central location, which of course will bulk up the planner. But if you are working from home, if you have, you know, a bag that is big enough to accommodate this planner, then so be it. I just know for me personally, I like to be able to take things in and out of my planner. So while I love this layout, it just wouldn't work for my planner style. But I love that this planner has a whole entire section dedicated to goal setting, and then with each month you can set your goals, and then each week you're able to do it, and then you're also able to have that quarterly assessment all in one location. So that I really do like about it. Another one of the pros that I love is if you really want to try out this planner, they do have a freebie of where you can get the layout, both the horizontal and layout, and print it out and try it for yourself. That is a great way to see whether this layout would work for you. Now with horizontal layouts, I'll link a video below of how you can transform the pages and make it work, okay? This, even though it is not vertical, you can break this into sections and make it as such. And the vertical, I'm a vertical girl because I'm a lister. And if you guys need more information on finding your writing style, I got you. Check out below. But this can be very versatile when it comes to whether you're tracking your gratitude in here, if you are using it as a weekly tracker, if you are using this for your daily to-dos. There's a lot that you can do with this planner, but I really do love that the layout merges both goal setting and weekly planning in one central location, because right now I'm using two separate planners, and that works for me because one of those planners I don't plan on bringing out of my house in general. But if you want something and you're more of a person that wants to have everything in one central location, and you want to be able to cut down on all of the systems that you're using, this is a great option. And I would highly suggest looking into seeing how you can save some coin on this. But overall, I do give this planner a thumbs up because I really do like the layout. So that wraps it up for this video. I would love to hear what you guys think about this planner down in the comment section. Have you ever tried out the MakseLife planner? Would you like to try it out? Let me know down in the comment section below, and feel free to leave any other questions or suggestions you have there as well. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, of course, all the information on the MakseLife planner, MakseLife brand in general, all the things that they have to offer, as well as links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.